Hello everyone, what you need to know after you start mining on Delta mining app, that is what I am showing you in this video. Congratulations on starting your journey with the Delta mining app. To ensure a smooth and rewarding experience, here are some key aspects to consider. Number one is daily mining routine, claiming rewards. The Delta mining app allows users to mine tokens directly from their smartphones. To maximize your earnings, make it a habit to claim your rewards every 24 hours. This consistent routine ensures you don't miss out on any mining opportunities. Number two thing you need to know after you have started mining on Delta mining app is you need to understand token distribution, community allocation. Delta has allocated a substantial portion of its total token supply, which is 180 billion out of 300 billion tokens, to the community. This generous distribution underscores the platform's commitment to its users and offers significant earning potential for early adopters like you and I. Number three thing is DSMS verification system. DSMS is decentralized security. That is one of Delta's standout features. Is this DSMS, decentralized SMS verification system. This innovative approach replaces traditional passwords and private keys, enhancing security by leveraging community-based verification. Setting up DSMS is crucial for safeguarding your account and ensuring seamless access. Number four thing you need to know after you have started mining on the Delta mining app is KYC verification. Ensure authenticity. To maintain a fair and secure ecosystem, Delta employs a know your customer process. This verification helps prevent the creation of fake accounts and ensures equitable token distribution. Completing KYC not only bolsters the platform's integrity, but also enhances your trust and participation within the community. Number five is managing your earnings. Recording mined tokens is essential to keep track of the tokens you earn through mining. The Delta app provides features to record and manage your cryptocurrency deposits, ensuring you have an accurate overview of your holdings. Number six is community engagement. You need to stay connected because we are in a connected economy and a connected world. Engaging with the Delta community can enrich your mining experience. Participating in discussions, sharing insights, and staying updated with the latest developments can provide valuable support and enhance your journey. By focusing on this aspect, these six aspects I've mentioned on the Delta mining app after you have started mining, you will be well equipped to navigate the Delta mining app effectively and make the most of the opportunities it offers. Happy mining. This is Dr. Olugbengade Tuntun TV. Please go ahead and like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and let me have your comments and questions in the comment section below. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to go and watch now. So go ahead and watch this very video popping up. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.